What's up, guys? It's guacamole for breakfast. Get ripe avocados. Gently mash them using a fork. Add onions, tomatoes, cilantro, garlic, lime juice, and salt. Stir well and mix everything together. Now, let's spread it on a toasted bread of your choice. And I prefer the combination of eggs sunny side up. Give it a try for your next breakfast or a dip with tortilla chips. Thank you.